Hi, Josh here. Today we're going to be introducing the new EzyAnchor Sand Peg. In the EzyAnchor range we currently have our Outback and Coastal option. We have now developed a sand peg specifically for the beach. We've designed reinforced ribs that run up the side of the profile. This allows us to generate a bit more strength and add the additional length to the peg so that we can get deeper into the sand and get down into the firmer sand where it can get a better hold while still handling the torque that is generated from the impact driver. The head of the peg is compatible with the everyday 19mm socket, although we do recommend our 6-sided socket as this reduces the chance of slipping and stripping the head. One of the key design features of the sand peg is the head. We've gone for a 100mm diameter head. This is much wider than a lot of the other pegs on the market. It takes a lot more force to rip it out of the ground, reducing the chance of your awning being lifted out by the wind. The sand peg is designed with an ergonomic handle so you can drive it in by hand, but we do recommend using an impact driver with the socket head. We recommend setting your peg up. You want to sit this handle here parallel with the floor. This will set your angle here, which is optimal for strength once the load comes off the awning. It's important to leave the sand peg where it is once you've driven it in, as that last bit of purchase will be where most of the strength comes from. No matter what orientation the head ends up in, you'll always be able to wrap your awning rope around it, whether it's in this direction here or directly on. So it's important to leave the head where it is. Sand pegs are sold individually, so you're able to purchase the exact amount that you need for your beach setup.